if your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus is not charging. So in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just check the charging cable of your iPhone and check if it is damaged or not. If the charging cable of your iPhone is damaged, just replace it with a new one. Also check the adapter of your iPhone and make sure that you're using Apple's original charger with your iPhone. Now if the issue is not in the charger of your iPhone, then for the next step, just check the charging port of your iPhone and check if it is blocked by any dust or debris. Because in many cases this issue appears when you have dust stuck in your charging port. So just clean the charging port of your iPhone and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now if this also did not fix your issue, then for the next step, just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now if the charging of your iPhone stops at a specific percentage, let's say if it stops at 80 or 90%, then just go to Settings and tap on Battery. Under the battery settings, just tap on Charging. And over here, just check if you have set any charging limit or not. Let's say if you have selected 90%, then the charging of your iPhone will stop at the percentage which you have set. So make sure you set it at 100%. Tap on Set Limit to 100%. But if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. But if this also did not work, then you might have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. For that, just go back to General. Now this time, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN, and tap on Reset All Settings. Now this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. It will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And in the meantime, you can either charge your iPhone using wireless charging, or you can charge your iPhone using a MagSafe charger. And this is how you can fix the no charging issue on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.